Hey y'all, this is Kim with Creative Escapades. Welcome to my channel and thank you for joining me today. Let's jump right into our video and see what we can create. I have this 9 by 11 canvas that I want to try to do what they call a ghost pour, and I've already covered it with Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White as my base, and I'm going to be using Liquitex Dioxinne Purple, Artist Loft Cerelon Blue, Artist Loft Bright Magenta, DecoArt 24 Karat Gold, Artist Loft Flow Acrylic Black, and Liquitex Phalo Green. So the point of it is not to use a whole lot of paint on the canvas, and you kind of pour it in the center. And so right through here is where I want to do the pour, and I have these white papers here that is actually just pieces of parchment paper. But I remembered that I had this silicone brush, and I thought that it would work as a swiping tool to try it on this painting. So, and I've got my ruler here so I can kind of see where the center is and where I need to stay. So I'm just trying to put little tiny streams, but the green did not cooperate well with me. And the gold did not either. But still gonna try this, and I'm just gonna dip it edge of it into the black and then pull it across all the other colors, and I want to try to give it some kind of design, maybe just by wiggling the silicone brush just a little bit to kind of curl those edges a little. And this side is done, and I'll do the other side, and it's been spreading, as you can see, and that gold is kind of taken over, so I'm hoping that it won't just turn all gold in the center and you not be able to see those delicious colors beneath. And this is not hard to do, but I think I did use too much paint, maybe too many colors, but I do like to use these colors together. I think they look really nice. I've just used my torch and pop any bubbles that might be there, but also I want to see if I can get that gold to sink a little bit and allow the other colors come through. And starting to see some of the green and the purple. Don't see a whole lot of that pink, and some of the Cerelon blue is visible now. But I'm going to take the camera down close instead of trying to bring the painting up to the camera and see if you can get a better look at what's happening. So the gold has sunk a little bit, and it's allowing those colors to kind of come up to the top, and they still have that extreme sheen shimmer that has mixed in with the colors, and that is perfect in my opinion. I like that. So it's still going to have that shimmery look of that gold that's going to be just slightly over the other colors. And while this may not be the true traditional ghost swipe or ghost pour, I still like it. I do like it. It's like a double swipe. And I'm getting a little bit of cells in there. It's hard to see. This camera does not focus very well, but it is selling a little bit. And I like the way the black has come through and defined those strips and the areas where it the brush dragged it through. So I'm pleased with it. And I've let it set now for about 30 minutes. And I wanted to just bring you back in and let you see what it looked like. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please click like and share. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click that subscribe button, ring the bell, and you'll get notified when I upload future videos. And I hope to see you in my next creative escapade. Bye-bye.